One seat in this exclusive Bentley feels like a race car, the other like a spa. The Batur Convertible may be based on a familiar Bentley model, but it has a very special character. Bentley will build a mere 16 Batur Convertibles, and the first one is finally ready. The driver's seat is black, the passenger's white, echoing vintage racing design. Power comes from a twin-turbo 6.0 LT-W12 with 740 horsepower and 737 lb-ft of torque. It's been a year and a half since the Batur Convertible first made its debut, and now the first customer example has finally rolled out of Bentley's factory in Crewe. With only 16 set to be built, spotting one in the wild might prove trickier than catching a glimpse of Bigfoot. The exterior of this particular Bentley is painted in a glistening shade of Opalite silver with a gloss black racing strip accented by Mandarin orange pinstripes running alongside. The combination of black and orange continues across the sizeable front grille and adorns the one-off wheels that have been designed for it. Bentley ensured the interior of this example is unique. Inspiration was taken from classic racing cars to create the feeling of a 1+1. As such, the driver's seat is bathed in beluga black materials, while the passenger's side is trimmed in linen white upholstery. There's also added soft touch Alcantara to the driver's side alongside linen and Mandarin contrast stitching. The cabin features a range of intricate design details, from the dashboard to the door panels. Solid titanium paddle shifters, steering wheel stalks, and air vent controls give the interior a distinctly high-end feel. Behind the seats, there's just enough room for 2 custom-made leather bags, perfectly tailored to match the drop-top's exclusivity. Bentley hasn't revealed the destination of this particular Batur Convertible, but visitors to Monterey Car Week this month will have the chance to see another example up close. Known as Batur Convertible Car Zero, the vermilion gloss engineering development model, owned by Mulliner, will be on display throughout the event, shortly after its dynamic debut at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. All 16 Baturs heading to the production line are powered by a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 delivering 740 horsepower and 737 lb-ft, 1,000 Nm, of torque. Compared to other Bentleys with the same engine, the Batur gets new air intakes, upgraded turbochargers, new intercoolers, and a titanium exhaust system. This highly tuned version of the W12 also serves as a swan song for the engine itself, which Bentley plans to retire in 2026 as it marches forward to an electrified future.